Welcome everyone! In this video, we will show you how to use the Auto Table Snip. With the Auto Table Snip feature, you can easily extract tabular data from PDF files to Excel. Let's see how it works. We have imported a document with tables spanning over multiple pages. Select the purple Table Snip on your DataSnipper ribbon. DataSnipper automatically detects the tables on your documents and provides suggestions to Table Snip. Once you click on Table Snip on your document, the data will be extracted into your Excel workbook. You can easily adjust your table snips. After DataSnipper places the snip, you can decide to scope by stretching the edges of the table. You can also add a column with the plus or delete a column with the minus icon. In the Excel overview, you can see that the last columns of the table are not correct. You can delete them again by clicking the minus icon and place the columns correctly by clicking the plus icon. The adjustments can be done for rows as well. By clicking the extra options icon, you can edit rows. You can add rows if you want to separate data horizontally on your Excel workbook, or remove rows if you want to see the data in the same column. All data extracted and valuable time saved. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to watch our other videos to learn more. Happy snipping!